Oh, 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 oh. That was my ankle bone on a bracket. So that's offered up for now. Just make sure that the holes line up the sun visors. So I now need to put the rear piece in because it shows the fixings here. So I'll just make sure all the fixings line up with the holes. Yep. 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 Done it. That's it. Fall in. That's chewy. Get these back two in. Morphine. Oh. Oh, can I rest now? Oh. That was a bit hard on the arms. I'll get these middle two in now. These things are godsend, this kind of job. Perfect. So the headline is in and holding. We'll leave that for now. I've got the rear trim piece that goes along this back edge here to trim up. If you remember, the piece that goes there was very wobbly, so it may be fine. It may hold itself in place, but I'll off it up before I trim it and see how bad it is. So now the headline is in and the rear carpet's in. I still need to do the door cards, the cab carpet needs doing, the dash, steering wheel and all the seats, and I think that should be it. So if you want to see the progress on those, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.